Meaning of high ground.
High ground.
High ground.
High ground.
High ground. The term high ground is often used to describe a position of advantage or superiority in a conflict or competition. This can be both literal, such as the high ground in a battle, or figurative, such as having a superior moral or ethical position in an argument. Having the high ground can provide a sense of control, power, and security. It can also give one a strategic advantage by allowing them to observe the actions of others from a privileged vantage point. Ultimately, the high ground represents a coveted position that can greatly influence the outcome of any given situation.